Hi everyone! Today, I'm going to talk to you about an important warning light on your car, the oil level warning light. This light is an essential reminder that your oil level is low, and if not addressed, could lead to serious damage to your engine. Oil levels play a crucial role in the functionality of your engine. It acts as a cooling and lubricating agent for the moving parts, ensuring that they operate within optimal temperatures. If your oil level is too low, these parts can become overheated, leading to rust, seizure, and ultimately, damage to your engine. So, why does the oil level warning light come on? When your oil level drops below the minimum level recommended for your vehicle, the light will illuminate to alert you that you need to add oil immediately. It's essential to add enough oil to bring your oil level back to the recommended level before driving your car. However, there are some scenarios where the oil level warning light may stay on even after you add oil. For instance, if you have a leak in your oil system or a faulty sensor that's not registering the correct oil level, the light may stay on even after you add oil. In these cases, it's vital to have your oil system checked by a mechanic as soon as possible to prevent further damage to your engine. In conclusion, the oil level warning light is an essential safety feature that should not be ignored. Regularly monitoring your oil level and adding oil as needed will help prevent potential damage to your engine. If the light stays on after adding oil or you experience any other issues, don't hesitate to have your oil system checked by a mechanic. Stay safe out there.